Remember feeling invincible in your youth? Remember those boundless energy reserves? Now imagine someone twice your age, radiating that same youthful vigor. Meet Joan, a real-life Wonder Woman defying the conventions of aging at 61. She's not just keeping up with the youngsters, she's leaving them in the dust. Joan's secret is not a magic pill or a fountain of youth. It's a dedication to a lifestyle that prioritizes health and well-being. Forget restrictive diets and grueling workouts. Joan embraces a holistic approach, nourishing her body with wholesome foods and keeping her mind and spirit engaged. She's a testament to the fact that age is just a number. Our bodies are capable of extraordinary things even as we get older. Intrigued? Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of Joan's daily routines and discover the secrets to her age-defying vitality. Her journey is an inspiration, a testament to the power of mindful living. Get ready to be amazed and motivated by Joan's extraordinary approach to aging gracefully and healthfully. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Joan takes this to heart, starting each morning with a nutrient-packed power breakfast. But forget sugary cereals or greasy bacon. Joan opts for a unique twist on a classic quinoa porridge. Yes, you read that right. Quinoa for breakfast. This ancient grain is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. It's also a great source of fiber, iron, and magnesium. Joan cooks her quinoa with almond milk for creaminess and adds a sprinkle of cinnamon for warmth. For an extra boost of antioxidants and flavor, she tops her porridge with a handful of fresh berries. A sprinkle of chopped nuts adds healthy fats and protein, keeping her feeling full and energized throughout the morning. This unconventional breakfast fuels Joan's active lifestyle, providing sustained energy for whatever the day may bring. Quinoa isn't just for breakfast in Joan's world. She considers this ancient grain a dietary staple, incorporating it into various meals throughout the week. And why not? It's a nutritional powerhouse. Quinoa is one of the few plant-based sources of complete protein, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians and meat eaters alike. But its benefits go beyond protein. Quinoa is a complex carbohydrate, providing a slow and steady release of energy. This helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and cravings. It's also packed with fiber, which aids digestion, promotes satiety, and contributes to overall gut health. Joan loves the versatility of quinoa. She uses it in salads, soups, and even as a substitute for rice or couscous. Her favorite way to enjoy it? As a base for a hearty and flavorful salad packed with roasted vegetables, feta cheese, and a lemony herb dressing. This ancient grain is a modern-day superfood, and Joan is reaping its many rewards. We all know the importance of staying hydrated, especially for active individuals like Joan. But Joan doesn't just rely on plain water to quench her thirst. She incorporates a variety of hydrating beverages into her daily routine, ensuring optimal hydration and a delicious flavor experience. One of her go-to drinks is coconut water, nature's electrolyte-rich sports drink. It's packed with potassium, magnesium, and other essential minerals lost through sweat. Joan finds it particularly refreshing after a strenuous workout. Another hydration hack Joan swears by is herbal tea. She enjoys a variety of herbal infusions throughout the day, each offering unique health benefits. Peppermint tea aids digestion, chamomile tea promotes relaxation, and ginger tea soothes inflammation. Joan's hydration strategy is anything but boring. It's a testament to the fact that staying hydrated can be both healthy and delicious. Section 5, Movement as Medicine, a personalized exercise prescription. Exercise is non-negotiable in Joan's world, but forget monotonous gym routines or grueling boot camps. Joan embraces a more intuitive and enjoyable approach to fitness. Her philosophy, movement as medicine. She listens to her body, choosing activities that bring her joy and challenge her physically and mentally. Yoga is an integral part of Joan's fitness regimen. She practices several times a week, flowing through poses that enhance flexibility, strength, and balance. Yoga is also a moving meditation for Joan, calming her mind and reducing stress. But Joan doesn't limit herself to one form of exercise. She enjoys brisk walks in nature, cycles with friends, and even takes the stairs whenever possible. Her approach to fitness is about finding joy in movement, making it a sustainable part of her daily life. Section 6, The Great Outdoors, Nature's Gym. Joan is a firm believer in the power of nature. She spends as much time as possible outdoors, soaking up the sunshine, vitamin D, and breathing in the fresh air. Nature is her sanctuary, a place where she feels grounded, energized, and at peace. Her backyard is an extension of her living space, a place where she practices yoga, meditates, and enjoys meals al fresco. She finds that even a few minutes surrounded by greenery can do wonders for her mood and well-being. Weekends are often spent exploring nearby hiking trails or simply taking leisurely walks in the park. Joan finds that being active in nature amplifies the benefits of exercise, reducing stress and boosting her mood. Her connection to nature is a vital part of her overall health and happiness. Section 7. Mindfulness Matters, Stress Reduction for Longevity. In today's fast-paced world, stress is practically unavoidable, but Joan has learned that it's not the stress itself that's harmful, but our response to it. She's developed a toolkit of mindfulness practices that help her navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. Meditation is her go-to stress management tool. She starts each day with a few minutes of quiet contemplation, focusing on her breath and observing her thoughts without judgment. This practice helps her cultivate a sense of inner peace that carries throughout the day. Joan also incorporates mindfulness into everyday activities. Whether she's washing dishes, walking the dog, or simply enjoying a cup of tea, she strives to be fully present at the moment, appreciating the simple joys of life. Her mindfulness practice is a powerful tool for managing stress, enhancing self-awareness, and fostering a deeper appreciation for life. Section 8. Sleep, the ultimate performance enhancer. In a culture that often glorifies busyness and sleep deprivation, Joan prioritizes sleep like a sacred ritual. She understands that quality sleep is essential for physical and mental recovery, boosting energy levels and promoting overall well-being. She aims for 8 hours of shut-eye each night, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule even on weekends. To create a relaxing bedtime routine, Joan avoids screen time an hour before bed, opting for a warm bath, a good book, or calming music instead. Her bedroom is a sleep sanctuary, cool, dark, and free from distractions. Joan wakes up feeling refreshed and energized, ready to tackle the day ahead. She knows that prioritizing sleep is not a sign of weakness, but a powerful tool for enhancing her health and vitality. Section 9. Community support, the power of connection. Joan's social connections are just as important to her well-being as her healthy habits. She surrounds herself with positive, supportive people who share her passion for health and wellness. She's part of a hiking group that explores new trails every weekend, a yoga community that gathers for classes and workshops, and a close-knit group of friends who prioritize healthy living. These connections provide Joan with a sense of belonging, support, and accountability. They inspire her to stay active, eat well, and make healthy choices. Joan understands that surrounding herself with like-minded individuals is crucial for maintaining a positive and healthy lifestyle. Section 10. Ageless Wisdom, Key Takeaways for a Healthier You. Joan's journey is an inspiration, proving that age is just a number. Her secret, it's not a magic formula, but a commitment to a holistic lifestyle. Here are some key takeaways from Joan's approach to aging gracefully. Nourishment is key. Embrace whole foods, prioritizing fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates. Explore the power of ancient grains like quinoa. Hydration matters. Stay hydrated with water, coconut water, and herbal teas. Move your body. Find joy in movement, choosing activities that make you feel good. Embrace nature. Spend time outdoors, connecting with the healing power of nature. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Cultivate mindfulness. Practice mindfulness to manage stress and enhance well-being. Nurture connections. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift and inspire you. Joan's story reminds us that it's never too late to prioritize our health. Small changes can make a big difference, so take inspiration from Joan's journey and embrace the power of a holistic lifestyle. Your future self will thank you.